My name is Alexander Quiñones Sanchez. I am a third semester psychology student, and I'm currently going to tell you about the problem that was previously occurring on my job. During the logistic process, a very particular issue arose regarding the delivery of products. The delivery note is a document in which one or several products that are sent to the customer feed of charge are listed, whether as a gift, an exchange, a promotional item, or for being a member of the company. This document is sent together with the invoice in order to deliver the order to each customer. Previously, all invoices were printed in back to the reduced printing time and speed up the dispatch of order. But the same mistake was made. The delivery note was not attacked because it was not printed. Due to the issue, it was decided to print the invoice one by one, although this took a bit more time. It allowed verification of the which invoice included a delivery note. Those that did not have one were printed immediately and attached to the order invoice. This ensured that customers will receive their orders complete.